2026 looks set to be an epic year for Casio releases from their standard range. In February they released the hugely popular W221H, which at the time of recording is still being sold out every time it's restocked. And now in May they are going to release the W738H, which looks set to become just as popular as it comes with a vibration alarm. I must admit that I did not expect to see Casio to release so many new models for their standard range for this year, as I had read reports that they were going to pivot towards more expensive watches. So far this year they have released the WS1800 and the W221H, both of which cost under $50 US, and so it's good to see that they are still looking after their Chipukashi customers. The W221H is the more interesting new release because it features a sophisticated new module whilst using the software from an old G-Shock. In this release, Casio appears to have listened to the recent criticism that they've been receiving for some watches with washed out displays by releasing one with a bold and legible LCD. With the release of the upcoming W738H, they seem to have continued this by including a large and legible display, or at least it does appear to be the case from these pre-release renders. The W738H is set to be released in May 2026, and I would estimate that it would cost around $50 US once it reaches the United States, and a similar amount in euros for Europe. The size of the case is approximately 47mm in length, 42.8mm in width, and is 13.5mm in depth. This is approximately the same size as the WS1600H, if you want to get your head around these dimensions. And here's how that watch looks on the wrist. When it's first released, the W738H will be available in 3 different variants, 2 with a positive display and 1 with a negative display, and here are their model numbers. One of the criticisms of the W221H was that it only came with 50 meters of water resistance. Casio has fixed that in the W738H because this comes with 100 meters of water resistance. The materials used for the caseband and crystal is resin, and that includes the silver coloured bezel surrounding the LCD. This should help to keep the weight down, and Casio claims a total weight of the watch is 43 grams. Just like its predecessor, the W737H, which has now been discontinued in North America, the W738H features a 5-button layout. The large button has been relegated to the front of the watch for easy access, and here is what the backlight should look like. It is amber coloured and uses 2 LEDs at the base of the screen. The afterglow duration is about 2 seconds, and this cannot be adjusted. The buttons used at the sides of the watch are made of plastic, and they're nice and large, which I do appreciate. Notice that the one on the bottom right is of a different colour and texture to the rest. Casio says that this is so that you can easily identify the button used for the watch's vibration setting. Casio hasn't officially as yet announced what module number that's used inside the case. To me it looks very similar to the one that's inside the W736H. That's no bad thing because the W736H is a well-liked watch amongst Casio fans, and the features of the W738H look identical, so we'll take a look at these next. The W738H will be powered by a single CR2032 battery, which should last for about 10 years on average. It will have a single daily alarm and hourly time signal. You can choose to have the alarm activate as a beep or as a vibration, although not both at the same time. The remaining features are a stopwatch and countdown timer, both of which have a maximum duration of 24 hours, and it also has dual time.
No.
So that's a preview of the forthcoming W738H, and of course we'll bring you a full review as and when it's launched, so stay tuned to Wrist Action. In the meantime, if you want an alternative, check out the TRT110H. It has exactly the same features, plus it also has mud resistance. I'll leave a link on the right, so until next time, see ya!